Hello, my name is Jim Sliwa. I've been with Lemont-Bromberek for 27 and a half years. What I like most about working here is the clientele. The people that you work with are nice, friendly. You're always kept very busy around here. Time goes by fast.
I just want to mention some things about Jim Sliwa, what he brings to the table. His work ethic is probably one of the best I've ever seen. His work knowledge is second to none. The knowledge that he has of the district's equipment and the running of the district is wonderful. And what he brings to the table every day is immeasurable.
And the reason I stay with the district is because I got to see my kids go through here. And it's a wonderful job. Most people, I would hope, like to, once they find a good job, they stick with it. And I live here in Lemont.
District 113 is very fortunate to have such a great maintenance person.